Hey everybody, I just wanted to walk you through some new assignments that I'm going to be putting on Google Classroom, some interactive sorts. And as I do that, I will just walk you through it and do a little video so you can see exactly how I want you to do that. So first, this is an example of what you'll be doing today, which is sorting beginning blends. So we have three different blends: full, bull, and glull. So the pictures here, they'll have to look at the picture, see what that is, and then drag it into the correct column. So that is a picture of flippers. So what beginning blend do you hear? Full. So they will drag and drop that picture there. This is a picture of blue paint. So bull. You will drag and drop that into the column, the beginning bull blend. Then I want to find another one. You can just kind of go, they're all just overlapping each other, but if you just click and drag, then you can do that. This is a picture of, sorry, I'm trying to do one more. It's it's a little firefly, and it is has a glow at the bottom. So glow, you would drag and drop that into this column. So once the students have done that with all of these pictures, this is writer type. Writing is difficult, I know. So, and I don't expect it to be perfect. I know that they're learning the keyboard, and I just want them to try their best with it. So they will, once they have all of these pictures sorted, then they'll go back and type the whole word, including the beginning blend over here. So if you just go in where I say type here, they can just kind of go over the top of it. Each of them will have their own copy, so I will see just their copy. So they can highlight, or even if that's too difficult, they can just start typing right after. That's not a problem. So they'll just type in flippers, then whatever the next one is. Once they finish sorting those, then they'll just type in the next word. Same thing with bull. You can just highlight it, and they're going to type in blue. Same thing with all the glow words. They will type in glow. Then they would go back and do the same thing with the other words. So once they've sorted, that's the first step. Step number one is sorting, and then step number two is typing those words in the correct place. Then I'll do a video in just a minute to also show you how they're going to turn that in, so that I will see everyone's work, and I'll be able to see what they've done, and I'll show you how to turn in an assignment from Google Classroom so that I can see the work that they've done.